Today, we're going to make some pulled pork tacos using leftover pulled pork. Let's see what's doing. Now I just got a couple small tortillas here. I'm going to put some of that leftover pulled pork right in the center. I like to put a little coleslaw on it. Now I like to drizzle a little bit of barbecue sauce on it. You can use your favorite, or I like to use the Lily's Q Zero Sugar because I'm trying to keep my sugar intake low. Their barbecue sauce, really good. And that's all there is to it. Leftover pulled pork tacos. Grill every day. Schlater!